We have here a Tesla S85D parts car, or for rebuild. The vehicle is stripped of and missing the rear and front drive units and 85 kilowatt battery pack. We'll do a quick walk around the vehicle here to get a view of the parts on the vehicle available. Again, it does not have the 85 kilowatt battery pack, and it does not have the front or rear drive motors. Lots and lots of good parts on this vehicle. Majority of the damage sustained to the front center. Radiator almost looks to be okay. This does have the autopilot package. It's the radar camera there. The roof glass looks to be good, free of defects, as does the trunk glass. View of the interior. Seat airbags did not deploy. Vehicle will have the key with it, right in this pouch. Screen is free of any bubbles. Again, the 85 kilowatt battery pack and rear drive unit and front drive unit have been stripped of the vehicle.